Hello Barça friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're here at the Spotify Camp Nou with a brand new and one of the biggest updates so far. There's a lot of movement across the stadium today, from structural elements to active work in multiple areas. So let's not waste any time and jump straight into today's construction update. We're starting in the lateral area because there's a lot happening here. Zooming in, we see the working platform, the crane, and several large structural elements. These pieces are part of the compression ring system. A large amount of material is spread across this zone, including the black structure that will form another assembly once the yellow element is lifted. Sweeping across the area, we see zones packed with glass panels, prefabricated seating, and construction materials. Active work is also taking place, with workers preparing elements to be lifted. In the background, we can spot what might be a new compression pillar behind the yellow structure. We'll confirm it later, but it could be the third pillar on site. At the parking ramp, formwork panels are being removed, with only a few wooden boards remaining. In this corner section, aerial platforms have been working intensively. Several missing anchors and cross-bracing elements have now been installed. There are no slats staged here yet, but everything suggests installation will begin soon. Glass panels have been staged here for some time, and it will be interesting to see when installation begins. Further up, all formwork and beams have been removed, with crane and platform activity. At the moment, there are clearly two compression pillars installed. I sometimes call them rings. But to be clear, these are pillars. There's strong evidence that a third pillar is already prepared in the corner area. In the south goal area, platforms are constantly active around the staircases. A key highlight is the installation of diagonal structural supports. One diagonal element is already attached, and crews are now securing it. This confirms the south goal will likely be next for slats. At ground level, painting work is ongoing on walls and beams using rollers. Some areas remain unfinished, but progress is steady. The crane has repositioned one diagonal piece, likely to be lifted shortly. Several prefabricated staircases remain staged and ready. Back in the lateral zone, slat installation is active in the lower section. This area is deeper than it looks, requiring multiple slats. A truck has arrived carrying additional slats wrapped in protective plastic. Two small gaps between sectors still remain. Focusing again on the corner, we can see how enormous these structural pieces are. At least three massive components are visible, and what comes next will be impressive. At the parking ramp, only a few formwork panels remain. Crews are actively removing them. This section should be completely cleared very soon. In the north goal area, crews have started installing slat supports in the central section. One is already in place and another is being installed. This shows multiple areas of the stadium are moving forward together. In the Tribune area, heavy machinery is active. A prefabricated staircase is being moved for relocation. Work has resumed on the escalators with protective coverings installed. Above, rock wool insulation is now fully installed with no exposed drywall. We finish at the store's diamond area, where new excavation work has begun along the front section. A crane is active with material staged nearby. After a quiet period, this area is moving again. If you're enjoying these daily Camp Nou updates, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.